In this lesson, we'll learn the difference between a whakatauki and a whakatauaki. They sound and are similar, but there is a subtle difference. A whakatauki is a proverb, a saying with wisdom attached to it. The person who originally said this is unknown. A whakatauaki is a proverbial quote. It is a saying with wisdom that is attributed to a person who originally said this. We know who said this. An example of a proverb or whakatauki is whāia te iti kahurangi, ki te tūohu koe me he maunga teitei, which means seek the treasure that you value most dearly. If you bow your head, let it be to a lofty mountain. An example of a whakatauaki is ko te reo te Māori o te mana Māori. The language is the life force of mana Māori. This was said by Tāhemi Henare, Sir James Henare. So, now you know the subtle difference between a whakatauki, a proverb, and a whakatauaki, a proverbial quote. Tēnā karawhiua. Give it a go.